guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing something fun. I'll be redecorating my daughter's room of unicorns because that's something that she loves. And I have my fiance right here. He's gonna be helping me decorate some stuff.
Yeah, we'll be putting up the TV, the curtains, and some unicorn decoration.
Stick around if you guys want to see the end.
And subscribe.
So before the video started, I wanted to show you guys an overview of the room. So this is her room door. This right here is her dresser, half for her, half for her sister. Her kitchen that she plays with every single day. A bassinet that I don't need no more for my baby because she's already 7 months. Stickers that I had ordered from Amazon that she went crazy for them. She wanted me to put them right away. So I put them like 3 days ago. Her bed. Curtains that I'm gonna be hanging up in there. Her closet. Her books and her dollhouse. So I want to show you guys everything that I got. I got this nightstand that matches exactly with her bed and her dresser. Pillowcase and comforter that I got from Walmart. This pillowcase from Amazon that says don't be basic. I love it. Picture from Ross, $7.99. Unicorn box for $6.99 from Ross. These pictures that I had used for my baby shower, and she didn't have anything pink, but I still kept them because I knew that I was gonna decorate her room unicorn and pink. These beautiful unicorns that my mom had gotten for her and my other daughter for her birthday. The curtain, which at this moment I really don't remember where I got it from. And this rod from Walmart that matches with her bed, nightstand, and dresser. This is a whole workout.
don't know. It's a good, I mean, match with her jaw, maybe. Level with her, she's small. Oh,
One middle.
right there in the middle.
Hell no.
You can put her right there.
Right there, and then should I move her kitchen?
I'm looking at John like,
What the hell are you doing?